This recipe of Chinese style soya chunks is healthy, very tasty and yummy. It has lots of vegetables like green, red and yellow capsicums, cabbage and spring onions. The spices used are garlic, ginger and green chili. Soy sauce, vinegar and salt enhances the taste and corn flour is added for thickness. We will prepare soya chunks to remove the impurities and corn flour mixture first. Bring the water to boil and add soya chunks. Let them boil for 2 minutes. Take a strainer and strain all the water from the chunks. Wash the chunks in running water. Now squeeze all the water from the chunks as shown. Take a small bowl, add soy sauce 2 teaspoon, vinegar 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoon of corn flour. Add some water and mix properly. Heat the pan and add oil. Here I have used sesame oil. Add chopped garlic, chilies and ginger and saute for 2 minutes. Now add the onions. Green part is to be added for garnish, just like hot and sour soup recipe I have shown previously. When the onions are translucent, add in salt and cover with lid. Now add cabbage and saute for 1 minute. Add capsicums and mix together. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Please see to it that the crunchiness of the vegetables remain. Add soya chunks now and mix everything together properly. Now add the corn flour mixture slowly, stirring it continuously. Add soy sauce if required. Soybean is different in nutrient composition from other legumes. It contains all the essential amino acids and is rich in isoflavones. Isoflavones are phytonutrients which give similar benefits of estrogen. Add sugar and salt if necessary. Garnish with spring onions. Try this recipe and comment if you liked it. Do like and share the videos with people you love, and if you like what I do, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Remember to press the bell icon to get the notifications of next video update.